Now we're going to make compound butter. I bet you didn't even know what it was, but you've had it. In steak houses, they put a little slab of butter with some herbs or something. What it is, I feel, is when they had a little bit of herbs left over, you need to save them in your refrigerator. You can do this at home too. You'll put them into butter, it'll stretch the herbs. Same thing with, we're going to be doing some gorgonzola cheese. This little bit of cheese is going to make all this butter taste like it's a log of cheese. So let's start. We've got our butter, and the butter is room temperature. And again, you want slices, chunks, all the way around the work bowl. We've got some lemon juice. We've got a little bit of salt. Now, if you're using salted butter, go ahead and use that. I'm using unsalted. We've got some green onions, and like I said, that cheese. Now, I'm using gorgonzola. If I use blue cheese, the whole thing will look gray because the blue cheese is so veiny. So gorgonzola doesn't have so much vein in it. This is tough. All we do is turn it on. It'll all combine together into a paste. It takes only about 2 minutes at the most. See the butter turning into a ball going around? That's when it's done. You can't overdo this, so it's not going to be a problem. But you can see how it's got a nice green color to it. Now, have a piece of parchment close by. So if you ever have any fresh herbs left over, you've got some butter, make this. You could add garlic into it. You can do other types of herbs. Now what I do is I take it and I'm going to make it into a log. Just like this. You could use wax paper or foil. Twist the sides. Try to make it even. I write on it what flavor it is. Throw this in the freezer. I take about 4 of these and put them in a Ziploc bag, and then you've got your butter ready to go of when you need it. Now when you're going to use it, I bring it out. Here's one done. And you can make slices about a 1/4 inch per serving. And you can put it on top of bread also. You don't have to stick with meats, but there's your compound butter.